Hi friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone 6 Wi-Fi issue. Nowadays it's a common issue. In this problem, Wi-Fi doesn't switch on and it doesn't show the address of it. For that we have to replace the module. Here is no address, you can see it. Just place this board in a PCB stand and fix it. Make sure it doesn't shake. This is the module here. Just apply heat all over. Don't apply heat specific position, yes, just apply overall. Okay, make sure you are not overheating the PCB. Just lift it. Here we go. You can see this old one. Clean the board, extra lead and the glue. The new one. Just apply some heat. Heat the PCB so that you can apply flux in a proper way. Okay, place it and hold with your tweezer. Just make sure it's in a proper position. In a similar way, just apply overall heat. Okay. You can find this module in online. You can purchase it from lots of websites are providing this module. Okay, just cool down the board so that I am blowing air. Okay, let's check. I hope the job had done. Let's fix it. Okay. Okay, done, it's working. We have done the job successfully. Okay, it's showing the signal. Thanks for watching our videos. For more videos, subscribe our channel.